Kind of a major chore to find certain settings that we're familiar with on Windows. So in Studio here, and this isn't even Ubuntu because it's Ubuntu, but it's KDE, and I don't use KDE, so I'm gonna have to learn it. But I had to go in here and find this energy savings thing because it kept timing out, and I don't want it to do that. I don't want it to go to sleep. What if I wanted this thing to just sit here and play music? So energy savings, gotta make sure all this stuff is unchecked. We do have Bluetooth. Let's try something here. I get this goofy little speaker. It's called a burnister. Alright, let's see. There it is right there. Okay. Alright. Now, let's see. I don't think we need to configure anything. Device manager. Okay. So, we have OBS Studio, audio production, graphic design, video production. It gives us a Blender, Free Show, K3B, Caden Live, OBS Studio. Media playback. Oh man, there's something in the air in here. Let's try this instruments thing. Okie dokie. What in the hell we have here? Yeah, I don't know what this is. Let's close it. Hexter. Not sure what half of these are. So maybe that one ain't gonna open. Oh, what is this? Phaser. Man, look at this. This is really hard to read, too. Alright. Soft synth. Doesn't look like it's opening. There's two of them now I've tried to open. Oh, look at that. I don't have any sound, though. Must be really low. don't know what this is. Can't hear anything. Huh. Alright. Nothing happening with that. Interesting. I've used Odyssey before, but hydrogen, and I have a drum machine. We'll just try something stupid. Alright, now, as I remember, you would have that there, and then you just click the play button. You tell it to be on a loop, and I'm trying to remember how to do it. You can literally just sit here and fiddle around with it. Oh no, it's a cowbell. It's hilarious. Anyway, you get the idea. So hydrogen, you could sit here and make drum tracks with. I've used that before a long time ago. Discard. this is. There's some other ones where you have the proper cable to hook your guitar in. Maybe use like a Scarlett or something like that. Audio device. That used to be a pretty big deal, finding something that you could do that with. Now it's actually pretty easy. So, there's a lot of stuff this thing can do. I just thought I would screw around with it. And I definitely want to try and see how OBS Studio is. I don't know what a door is. I don't know. Something to do with MIDI. Anyway, I thought it'd be kind of cool to play around with.